a brand new Bulldogs team, and I am going to make it better than the current one, and this is episode 1. We tackle him, that's a pretty good tackle, and we tackle the flood. Doing honestly pretty decent. Murphy,
Penalty 2-1.
Who was that? And by the way, this isn't like a award, and I'm going to make another series about proving that I can make them better, that I'm a better coach than the Bulldogs one. Oh my god! Who's going the first time first? It's gonna be McLaughlin for us.
Right.
Wow! That was another one, man. Good tackle whoever tackled him there. Great play that was really. We're playing we are eliminated with exactly 2,760. If it's one, the both of our videos that scored the first 2 tries for us, he does. Nakawala. Oh, nice name. I am ready. How do you who is our halfback? I never agreed for you to even be my goal kicker. What? Can we play faster? Oh, that's good. Oh, go, McLaughlin King. Oh, he's gonna score his second. Oh, McLean. Is he McLean? Come on, Slattery, and there's Chatley. Let's go! Yeah! I'm playing this on my iPad. I'm playing this on my phone because I put my cameras on my phone. So far, we're winning 14-0. I realized they scored. They only had the ball twice this whole game. I remember. I gotta go 40-20 attempts. I don't think you can make it, but I'm gonna try. 40-20 attempts. The attempt isn't well, and that's gonna be the third time they have the ball, badly. North Eagles. I actually don't know the name. Fullback! Half time will be. Alright, we are back. So, come on, Nakawara.
Right.
That's what I'm talking about. We're getting in the hang of this season. We're probably. By the way, this is like a rookie. Like this is like a part of my better management with Cameron Serrano thingy, but reserve grade. So Nakawara. That's gonna go dead. No, it's not. Yeah! Is he? Oh, he was gonna get tackled, but certainly he snatches a try. Yeah, this looks like this is our game. They feel like we're gonna be first. I can't believe I don't know, we made that. Going from left to right. And I'm actually pretty happy about that. Like a dodge. You gotta keep them scoreless. Why are you going back? Why are you going back? That was stupid. I want to pump in 32 here. Just be like funny doors. Yo, that's amazing! The first time they've completed a set this whole game. I'm not gonna do a 40-20 attempt. There's no 20-40s in this game. Come on, Nakawara! Nakawara! What a run! We're lucky we didn't pass it. We're just gonna spend some time. Alright, it's time to score. It's time to score some try! That's full time, 26-0. I want to make it 32-0. That's a great offload. What the hell? Full time. 26-0. That was clean. Alright, let's see. Yay. Yeah. Right, let's see. We are sitting in first. I'm not gonna phase out. What the heck? Yeah, we're up there in my stadium. I am Monkey. Do you want to play Toski, dude? Alright, we have major signings. We have Ferguson and Nielsen. So, this team is looking at what to do. What are we going to see this week? We are being a better coach than the New South Wales Cup already. We're going to play 2 episodes a game. 2 games at episode. Since it's the short, I'm going to let you rest. I'm not trying to sit here. But tomorrow, there will be 2 games. Trust. Alright, I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.